Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. On Sunday, May 21st, Pope Francis will inaugurate the Laudato Si week at the Sunday Regina Coeli prayer from St. Peter's Square in Rome. All of us are invited to join the Pope and the Laudato Si movement in this important celebration week. The theme of the 2023 LSW is Hope for the Earth, Hope for Humanity. Laudato Si Week 2023 will be celebrated from May 21st to 28 with the film The Letter to mark the 8th anniversary of Pope Francis' landmark encyclical on care for creation. This global celebration will unite Catholics to rejoice in the progress we have made in bringing Laudato Si to life and show how the protagonists of the letter are already doing so. Don Bosco Care Home, a Salesian home that provides medical care and support to children with HIV/AIDS, located in the village of Nilavarapatti in the district of Salem in Tamil Nadu, India, has a new dormitory and toilets thanks to donor funding from Salesian Missions, the US development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco. Don Bosco Care Home has been working for almost a decade to bring awareness about HIV/AIDS and to improve medical treatment for children who have been infected. Salesians provide medical care, promote positive thinking and work to break the social stigma. For the youth in their care, Salesians with Don Bosco Care Home provide food, nutrition, medical care, education, recreation and counseling. The home was also given approval from the government to start a special school on the campus. The number of youth at the home has risen from 73 in 2019 to the current 83 youth. As a result, Salesians needed to expand both living and bathroom facilities. Thanks to Salesian Mission, Salesians constructed a multi-purpose community hall with a dormitory and additional toilet block. The hall can be used as a space where all the youth take part in health camps and motivational programs and games. The new toilet facilities allow for a more hygienic environment for the youth. The project was completed in 2022. From 13 to 14 May at the Salesian House in Shillong, Dalat, the regional meeting of Don Bosco's past pupils of Asia Oceania took place in the presence of the members of the World Presidency led by Bryant Magro. The organization of the meeting was handled by the Regional for Asia and Oceania, Ketin Gala, and by Neil Evangelista, Youth Director, and was attended by the Regional Councillor for South Asia, Father Biju Michael. The Salesian way of synodality was the theme treated by the world delegate Mr. Dominic Duck Nam Nguyen SDB, who invited the participants to develop their presence in the territories in which they operate through spirituality, mission and solidarity, elements which at every level must lead to a synodal journey. This synodal journey is not rigid in a pre-packaged, rigorously designed path, said Mr. Domenico Duck Nam Nguyen, but defines himself and unfolds over time through constant listening, discussion, discernment, mutual trust to be renewed day by day. We are Salesians and our vocation is marked by a special gift from God for young people. The Article 3 of the Confederal Statute on the Mission of the Past Peoples read, all past pupils, considering the urgency of the problems of young people, respond proactively, even on a personal level, to the educational needs of all those cultural and learning initiatives which concern the young people to help them develop and take on greater responsibilities at all levels. 40 animators of the Salesian Youth Movement (SYM) of the house in Cipolletti belonging to the Salesian province of South Argentina (ARS) gathered for a meeting on the theme Something is Alive. The event was organized by SYM leaders to generate a space for celebration and reflection and to be acknowledged as a community of animators in the house. The day, characterized by group work and activities divided by different ages, began with recreational and movement dynamics and then moved on to personal work in the parish church. The Mama Margaret group prepared the dinner that concluded the day. The team visit for the Central and North Europe region C&NE with the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artimi came to a conclusion on 13 May 2023, the feast day of Saint Mary Dominica Mazzarello. The team visit took place from 9 to 13 May at Valdoco, Turin, and was a fundamental occasion for planning the journey over coming years. This was the first meeting that saw the involvement of every component of the C&NE region, and it was held precisely in the sacred place where our Salesian charism began and underwent development. The conference appreciated a circumstance where they were able to meet to share their experiences of Salesian life and activity in working groups and in a plenary assembly. These days where they met and experienced communion mark a deepening of the Salesian identity in an increasingly secularized Europe. The Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime, his Vicar Father Stefano Martocchio, the General Councillors for various sectors, Father Ivo Cielho, Councillor for Formation, Father Miguel Angel Garcia Morcunde, Councillor for Youth Ministry, Father Gildatso Don Santos Mendes, Councillor for Social Communication, Father Alfred Maravilla, Councillor for the Missions, Brother John Paul Muller, Economer General, Father Romand Zakimovis, Regional Councillor for the Central and North Europe region, Father John Luis Playa Morera, Director Major Central Delegate for the Salesian family, presented their perspective on the progress of the Salesian Congregations Project Europe, noting both its strong and weak points and offering challenges for responding to the signs of the time in contemporary Europe today with an eye to the future. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.